Good morning. This is Tim Trades NASDAQ Futures live using Apex Trader funding accounts. We're going to do an opening trade here in about 5 or 6 minutes. How do I know exactly what time I'm taking a trade? Because there's always a trade within the first couple minutes of the market, and we take it and we see what happens. We try to scalp 13 points, got a 35 points stop loss, one contract, 50K account, Apex Trader funding. After we take that trade, we will go to the 1 minute chart and then look for a bear flag or bull flag, and we will take that on a evaluation account. Try to get 15 points using 10 contracts over leveraging to try to pass an Apex evaluation in one trade. So that's what's in tune for today's episode. I'm Tim, and this is Tim Trades NASDAQ Futures. Listen to SoundCloud account, The Wearing, project I was a part of. We're using Tradingview on the left screen here, which has an indicator that I programmed, turning it into a strategy, added some other specifications. It'll show a green arrow or a red arrow after it shows a red line or green line. If it passes above the green line, if it closes above the green line, if price closes above the green line, we will take a long. If price closes below the red line, we will take a short. On the right here, we have the Tradovate account linked up to our Apex account, which they do for you. I just requested a $2,000 payout from Apex yesterday. I guess after 3 or 4 payouts, you get to request the max amount available in your account. So that was awesome. Just queuing up the screens here. See, I click anywhere on the screen and then hover over the green area, and I can see that my take profit and stop loss are both visible in one glance without having to readjust the size, even though it's looks really small right there. I can always zoom in once I take the trade. As it gets closer to 6:30, the price action typically increases. Right now, the volatility of the day is 16, which is trending down. Last week, I think it got up to 20. Now it's kind of trending down to 16, so the volatility is decreasing. Doesn't mean we'll still get some good price action, but it just means that the volatility is decreasing, so it's not as likely to go crazy. This is a 1 minute 1 minute timer until 1 minute until so it's 2 minutes till the market opens. Pretty much how that works. Okay. Get everything lined up here. Everything's looking good. I also use a stream deck so that I can quickly get in and out of the trades without having to hover the mouse over the buy or sell. Fiddle with the mouse. I can just have my thumb hovering over it so I can look at the screens. And I even have another computer off camera here with another stream deck that I can take multiple, which I'll be doing too, because I don't have the accounts linked together because they can't do the ATM strategy if they're linked together in Tradovate. Looking at, okay, here we go. Looking for a trade. We're greenlit to trade. Looking at the left screen there, the trading view, seeing if it prints any of those lines and or prints the buy or sell markers. Not seeing anything yet. Okay, more movement there. Market's open. We're going long.
Order filled.
That kind of stinks because I didn't see it print a line. And it should print like a green line or a red line. So we're being patient, let this ride out. Hopefully we get a winner. We're in drawdown right now, but it's holding that point, so hopefully it's gonna shoot up to our take profit. We're long in 2 accounts, but we're hitting some heavy drawdown. Okay, a little bit in the profit there, but pulling back again. Kind of inching up. Okay, we're inching up. Looking strong. We need to get past this little bump right here to have a good boost up. Okay, it's moving up quicker than it's moving down, so that's showing me that potentially there's more buying power. Okay, we're pushing. Yep, we just need another good push. It's looking strong.
Order filled.
Need to get there. Okay, 1 account took profit. We need one more little push to get profit. Come on. Oh, wow. Come on. Push. Should get a little pop here. Pop it.
Order filled.
Ah, torture. Got it. All right, that was 2 different accounts. Each account had $256 winners in it. Total of $500 right there. So I'm going to go to the 1 minute chart now and see if we see any bear flag, bull flag formations. So this is the opening bars, and this is the bar that we just had. So I'm now going to switch this account to first close out all the trades, just make sure we're liquidated. And then we're going to go to this evaluation account, and we're going to over leverage 10 contracts, looking for 15 points. So it needs to be 15 points and 1 tick in order to, that tick needs to cover the commissions and fees. Okay, so now we're queued up there. I have this indicator swing high, swing low indicator that I turned on. Oh, you know what? I also like to turn this thing on. All right, go back to the 1 minute. I didn't think that triggered. I forgot that I normally swing over to a different. So the market is moving with very small pullbacks, right? There's really no consolidation. So what I might do, got the swing high, swing low in there. It looks like we're actually playing fair right here, because potentially we got this here. This is potentially a swing, going to be a swing high. Where to go? And then this is potentially a break back. Market's coming from it is trending up. Okay. Okay, this might just be playing perfectly fair. Yep, there we go. Okay, now what we're looking for is looking for a long, ideally. Something like that. More like that. In 20 seconds, once this bar prints, hopefully it's not a crazy bar, meaning like shoots way down or shoots up, then we can have confidence in this top line being true or not. 5 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, now if it breaks that line, we're going long. Breaks the line up. Might have a pullback, which is fine. The momentum's saying going up, so we want to try to stay with that momentum. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com to get the best discounts possible. We're long 15 points. I kind of like that entry because it kind of had a little bit of a pullback, and now hopefully it's going to shoot up again. Looking for 15 points. We only got about 15 points of stop loss before we blow the account. So it needs to just pretty much go straight into profit. Looking good, looking good. Need more pump. Need more pump. Ugh, horrible. Here's the drawdown right here. $1,000. 13, 1. Oof, getting low on the drawdown. Might blow the account because we went up so much. We went up halfway. We can only go down a little bit. Oof, really close.
Order
okay,
filled.
Just blew the account. Bummer. Didn't get it. Didn't get that pump we're looking for. Could have got in a little quicker. If I would have gotten a little quicker, maybe get in like right there at the break of that one. Nope, it's still only 11 points. Bummer. Bummer, dude. Just didn't have the movement and hype. I mean, if you were scalping 10 points and not being super greedy, would have been a winner. Hey, you know what? That was just an evaluation, okay? So, that eval gone. But still got these three funded accounts and made money in 2 of them. The third one I didn't trade because I am currently wow, PW got in. Oh no. Oh, he's still in. PW got in late on that one too. He's still holding. He didn't over leverage like I did, so he can hold it. He's only in 6 contracts. But he took the same trade that I did. That's amazing. Great minds think alike. All right. Let's just do a little. I do have to cut the stream a little bit early today because I have to go take my car into the service center. All right. Too long a range, what? Too long a range? I can't see the whole activity of the count? That's weird. Well, that's just weird, George. Let's see. If I go back here. It's weird. So weird. So very weird. Well, let me go back. June 9th. I thought June 9th was when I... I guess it's June 10th. Okay. June 10. June 10. Doesn't let me. That's weird. That's really weird. Okay. Okay, we'll do 11th. I can go to 13th. All right. So we're sitting at $4,600 in the account. I've been taking out profits the whole time, as much as I can every qualifying time. So this is going to potentially go. I took out 2,000, so it'll potentially go down to 50,700. Okay, win rate is 88%. Not bad. Not too shabby. Oh, the trade broke down. PW, did you get it? Is that a loss, PW? This trade broke down here. It was only that 10-point move that you could get if you try to hold for longer. If you try to hold past that break, most likely you get stopped out. Okay, where are we at? Here. Here. Hey, governor. Okay. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Alright, well, we already looked at it. Whatever. Oh, I do want to see the trade of the day. Today. Oh, I didn't take a trade in that. Didn't take a trade in that account. Took a trade here. Okay. Execution. High tech over here. Okay, we're taking screenshots with my phone. With my phone. With my phone. You see both these accounts had a winner, $250 winners in it. Alrighty then. Okay, so this account, I have $770. $770 in it. So I need about $2,000, about $1,900 more dollars in there to have a payout. This account I have 1,200. So I need about 1,400 in this account for a payout. And then this account I blew. Waiting for a payout approval on this one. Oh. My head's in the way. Wait now for a payout request in this one. You know. Okay, we're gonna end the live stream early here. But let's see what. Trust my arms if you fall, until my body loses the strength to carry on, until my body. Until my body. Okay, dokey. Artichoke. Broke down. Look at that. This trend line I drew on the bottom was the true trend line. How do I know? Because when I broke it, it stayed below it. Yeah. All in all, we're winning. I took a jab at a funded account. Didn't get it. It's okay. Still got 3 funded accounts. Life goes on. All right, so this is Tim Trades NASDAQ Futures Live. If you're still trading, market is not, it's plain fair, but it just has awkward movements. Okay, why do we take this trade right here? Because we had a push up, swing low here, swing high form here, count 2 bars after, 1, 2, there's your trend line. Then it broke that trend line and the previous and this bar right here. Enter here, scalp here, okay? If we would have not been greedy and just looked for 10 points, I could have just looked for like 7 points and then, you know, just do 2 points or 7.5, 8 points, 2 8-point trades, and would have passed the evaluation. It's probably what I'll do in the future, maybe, especially if the volatility remains low. That's how I passed the last evaluation. I think it took me like 2 or 3 trades, so I was a little zealous today. I think I'll in the future just look for like 8 points, 2 8-point moves, because if I would have got 8 points here, saw the break, and you know that this is the true line here because this is the swing low point, so you connect these 2 points and you got a good chance of that being the actual trend line. Look for a solid break, because this is a fake out break. You could even do something like that. Let's keep it there. A little fake out break, pull down, and then once it maybe passes this low point here, you get in like right here. So you're still in a little bit early before it closes, so you still get some good movement here. And then you take another 8 points. like that. And if that broke there, then you would have, you know, readjusted this trend line here, because that's a new swing high. Would have been something like that. After the swing low, count 2. It was like 5 a.m. Like that. Could have got in here, but would have had some drawdown. Like the stage was like right near the beach. Only 12 points. Typically, I like to at least have 15 points stop loss, and then just scalp your, you know, 8 to 10 points here. So see, it's playing fair. It's just moving right now in a sideways motion. It has this huge channel. It's in the channel right now. What's a channel? Channel is when you have a high and you have a low, and you're staying within that perimeter. So you can see the channel is here. Really, the first swing high and low, you got that channel, and then it's just bouncing back and forth like a ping pong ball. Little false breaks, false breaks, false breaks. Psych you out. Juke, juke, juke. Ooh, ooh, go. Oh no, I'm really going that way. Yeah. Alrighty, right. That's 10 trades. Maybe one of these days I just designate some of these accounts to, okay, I'm just gonna do the 1 minute bull flag, bear flag, reasonable trades on each trade, nothing over leveraged. See what happens. See what happens. Entertainment. It's entertainment. Oh, look at that big slam down. Big slam down. See if you had the swing low here. Swing high, count 2, boom, right there. You got all these little false breaks along the way, but then you had the slam down. Okay? That's the power of these lines, is you could pick up moves like that. Imagine catching that wave. Let's see what that wave says. So you get in maybe at the break of this bar right here. Boom. Boom. 30 points. 20, 30 points, and only 10 points drawdown. Not too shabby. Not too shabby of a move right there. Lifestyles of the rich and famous. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com. I gotta go. Have a great day. Today's a good day. Today we're making money. Blew an account, that's fine. Blew an evaluation. Didn't blow a funded account. Blew an evaluation. All my other accounts are green. Making money. I make the money. I'm making the money. You know what I could do? Why don't I? To pass the evaluations, because I'm scalping 13 points on the open. Today, the drawdown probably would have got me. Maybe not. Maybe not. But I could just do that. But I'm doing my funded accounts, and then I don't want to have to juggle a PA at that time, too. I'm already juggling too many accounts. All right, we'll see what happens. Have a great rest of the day. See you tomorrow, which is Thursday, August 14th. Be here right before the market, around 6:20-ish. Give me the ish. Come on, don't watch anyone else. I'm giving away some good special sauce here. I'm being very precise and scientific with my entries and exits. Very clean, cut and dry. There's no smoke and mirrors. I show you my winning trades, my losing trades. All trades are taken on camera. Trying to be as clear and transparent as possible. Making money. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code Tim at apextraderfunding.com for the best discounts always. I think the 80% discount expires tomorrow. Tomorrow night, I believe. So, get it while it's hot. Don't break your bank account. If you're not ready to purchase yet, that's fine. Keep paper trading. But a 50K account, you could do a 25K account. You don't have to do a 50K account. It'd be cheaper. The activation fee for all the accounts, though, is the same, $140. So whether you're getting a $300,000 account or a $25,000 account, activation fee is still going to be $140. It's just how much you're going to pay for the evaluation and what your profit target comfortable doing. 50K account has the best drawdown to goal profit target. The risk to reward is closer to 1-to-1. The others get less than 1-to-1. The higher price up to 3K account is it looks like a lot of drawdown, but by how much leverage you have and your profit target is, it's not as much drawdown. So do the math, be smart. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. See you guys tomorrow.